In this video, we will see how to find the common values between two different tables or two different lists. See, we have two tables here. First one is the billionaires list of 2015 and second one is the billionaires list of 2023. To find the common names between these two tables, in other words, the names that appear in both of these tables, in the formula bar, equal, filter function, open parentheses. First argument of filter function is array. Select the first list, comma. Second argument of filter function is include. Here we will use countif function, open parentheses. First argument of countif function is range. Select the second list, comma. Second argument of countif function is criteria. Once again select the first list, close parentheses, once again close parentheses, enter, and we have the common names between these two tables. Let me change some of these names. And if you want to highlight the common values, select the first list. Holding the control key, select the second list. In the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, highlight cells rules, duplicate values. See, the common names are highlighted in red color. And if you want to change the formatting, click on this button. We can select either one of these predefined formats or go for detailed customization. Let's go for green fill with dark green text. And the common names are highlighted in green color.